All right, we're going to be shipping out a Cyber Tuesday because we missed Cyber Monday sale on these Paperwhite forcing kits. Essentially, they come in these rice hull pots, which you can bury and they'll dissolve into the ground eventually, but they'll hold up over the holiday season. 3 Paperwhites that will be forced to bloom. These will generally bloom about 3 to 4 weeks after you plant them. So the next question though is the soil. We're sending out 2 soil wafers, and these are compressed peat moss soil wafers. They're pretty cool. We're going to put them in some water here, and I'm going to break them up and let them soak up the water here. Okay, here we're breaking up our compressed peat moss into water so that it expands into our potting soil that we're going to be planting the Paperwhites in. All right, so now I've broken up the peat. You don't want to put too much water in first. If you need more water, it's easier to put water in later. We did about just the right amount. I would say we did a cup of water in here for 2 compressed peat containers. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it into the rice hull pot here. Okay, there we go. Got that level. I'm going to save myself some room to put in my Paperwhites. 1, 2, and 3. Now that I've got them planted where I want them, I'm just going to take the remaining part of the soil, scoop it out of the bucket, and have the camera person zoom in here around the bulbs, scatter it amongst them. You want a little bit of the top of the bulb showing. There we go. Put it on its little pot in case you need to water it, and wipe off the excess dirt, and you've got yourself an eco-friendly forcing kit for Paperwhites that if you get them planted now, they'll bloom 3 to 4 weeks, and the idea is to have them ready for Christmas. So hope you enjoy.